Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abdul Malek. I have recently received my PhD degree from ANEN Lab. I was also jointly advised by Professor Edamana Prasad from Department of Chemistry, IIT Madras. During my PhD, I have straddled both the Department of Chemistry and Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Dr. Tijuthomas, the head of the ANEN Lab, has advised me in the engineering aspects of my research. My research area was in energy and environment nexus. I have basically developed several organic fluorescent sensors for the detection of mercury in water. And after detection, I have developed a method for removal of the mercury from the contaminated water, and then I have utilized this mercury contaminated water into several applications, for example hydrogen evolution or like toxic para-nitrophenol to para-aminophenol conversion in organic reduction reaction. Coming to the energy component of my research, that means hydrogen production from mercury contaminated wastewater, I would like to say that our process is a green route of hydrogen production from contaminated water. Now we all know that hydrogen is a clean source of energy because its combustion doesn't produce any pollutant gas like carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, unlike conventional fossil fuels. But currently, the way we produce hydrogen, for example, steam reformation of natural gases like methane, there is a concomitant emission of carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide in this process. So that means this process is not environment friendly at all. But in our case, we produce hydrogen in such a way that there is no carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide emission. And also there are several challenges with hydrogen economy. For example, it's very difficult to transport hydrogen and store hydrogen because it's a very light and flammable gas. So there is concern regarding the application of hydrogen. In our case, what we have done is we have designed and developed a method for in situ production of hydrogen on demand. That means we can produce hydrogen from wastewater or seawater on demand at the point of use. So we can store the starting materials in the solid state. So there is no need to transport the hydrogen. So the safety issues or safety challenges associated with hydrogen economy is overcome in our process. So till now I was talking about my research component and all my PhD. Now I'll talk about the ANEN Lab, how it is, how people are. So in our lab there are colleagues from diverse background, from engineering, various disciplines of engineering, chemistry, physics, etc. So when we discuss something, we see some material from various aspects. We come to know different angle of or different point of view from different colleagues. So this is the positive point. And we take all these inputs when we write a manuscript or when we execute an idea. So this, I think that this is very, very helpful for a researcher. One more thing is that they are all friendly, but most important thing is that our guide, that means Dr. Tijuthomas, is very, very friendly. And not only that, he mentors us very nicely. Whenever we need some advice, he makes his time and gives his input. Not only that, when we need any help in our personal life also, he talks to us as a friend. And I believe personally that he is the perfect example of an ideal teacher or ideal mentor. IIT campus is very diverse. You will enjoy the IIT campus, and obviously you will enjoy the ANEN Lab. So I welcome you all. You can come to us, you can write to us, and you can come and visit our lab also, and we can discuss with our colleagues, you can discuss with me, you can discuss with professor, and if you are interested you can join our group. And I believe you will surely enjoy our lab and enjoy your PhD study. Now one more thing I will tell here, that some people may think that PhD is not like Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Frustration. So there will be various ups and downs in PhD. So you have you have to deal with various experiences. For example, you are running lot of experiments, and at the end nothing is working. So you have to cope up with the environment that next morning you have to wake up and you have to again start the new experiments. So you need a circumstance, or you need an atmosphere where you will have like very comfortable position, so that you can cope up with this struggle, cope up with this experience of life very easily. So this ANEN lab actually gives you all this opportunity, especially professor and all our colleagues. So I hope that you will have good experience, you will learn some life lessons as well from your PhD. So I strongly recommend ANEN lab, and you come talk to us. We will be happy to collaborate with you. We will be happy to take you as our colleagues. So see you, and write to me also, or write to professor, or write to any of the colleagues. Go to our website and you can write to us. Thank you.